When you're exporting, make sure this blue or whatever color bounding box is around the timeline. With that done, all you have to do is click whatever is active will be what will be worked on. You want this to be active. Then you go to File, Export Media. In the Export Media window, we don't want QuickTime. You want to use H264. This will give you an MP4 that can be used on YouTube. But H264 gives you a format that's small enough, but once you select H264, then the next thing you want to select is this blue name. This is the name of the first file you put on the timeline. You click this. You have to make sure you're in your export folder. And then you name it. So I'm saying Forest PSA, right? And you select the export and you go to your main folder. You go to export and you click save. And all you have to do now is click export. This is going onto your hard drive or perhaps on your computer. You get a message that says your video was successfully exported. I just want to make sure I show you something. If you have a very short part of your video selected, like there's an in point here, you hit I, maybe you are working on something here, and then you go to export. When you go to export media, you will see that it's a very short part you're exporting, only the part that's selected. So you can either stretch it out, or before you export, make sure that nothing is selected, or you go to the end, you hit out, and then you go to the very beginning and hit in. You don't have to hit anything. You can deselect by hitting Option X. That way you're not selecting anything. But if you want to make sure, you go to the end and hit O, and automatically you have this. So let's go find our exported video. You go to your export folder, and I'm looking for Forest PSA. There it is, right? And it's all there. Now,